The next thing I'm going to install is this 2 terabyte solid state drive. It's the NVMe M.2 interface. And my first step is to remove this heatsink that's over where I got to put it. And I forgot to do this before I was going to do it, is this mat is grounded to my home wiring ground system. I'm going to clip, and it should be this is an anti-static mat, but I'm going to clip this so that the board is grounded. All right, right there is where I plug it into, and this is what it looks like. Let me compare the length. I think that's right, because this little screw here that fastens it down can go into different spots. And according to the instructions, I'm supposed to insert this at a 30-degree angle. Get in there. Look, okay, and you can only put it in one way. Okay, I put it in at about a 30-degree angle, and it kind of stays up like that. And with the motherboard hardware, there was some little bitty screws that go into these posts to fasten them down. If I push that down like so, and it fits nicely. I use my little magnetic screwdriver with the screw on the end. Alrighty. And it's in. Now I just need to replace the heatsink. Oh, I almost forgot. On the other side of this heatsink, there's a film that needs to be removed. I guess that's some sort of thermal stuff that helps the heat transfer. Alrighty. If I can get this where it's supposed to go. There it is. All right, solid state drive is installed.